The kalu cham, known as the spotted grouper or spotted sea bass in English, is a species of fish that belongs to the family Serranidae, which includes a variety of fish commonly found in tropical and subtropical waters. This fish is particularly well known for its striking appearance, which includes a body marked with distinct dark spots on a lighter background. The kalu cham is native to the Indo-Pacific region, and it inhabits both coral reefs and rocky outcrops in the coastal waters. These fish are found primarily around the Southeast Asian seas, including areas in Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, but they also have a presence in parts of the Pacific Ocean. The kalu cham is not only admired for its beauty but also valued for its taste and economic importance in the fishing industry. Often sought after by fishermen and chefs, this species has become a staple in both local and international cuisines, especially in regions where seafood is a major part of the diet. The appearance of the kalu cham is one of its most defining features. The fish's body is typically elongated and robust, with a flat, broad head and a large mouth that gives it a predatory look. The color pattern of the fish is quite remarkable. Its body is usually a light to medium brown or gray, with a series of darker spots scattered across its scales. These spots are irregular in shape and size, and they are the primary characteristic that gives the fish its name, spotted grouper. The coloration markings on the kalu cham serve as camouflage, helping it blend in with the rocky and reef-like environments it inhabits. As a predatory fish, the kalu cham is well equipped to ambush smaller fish, crustaceans, and other marine creatures that make up its diet. The fish's ability to adapt to its environment is also reflected in its habitat. The kalu cham prefers shallow, coastal waters, particularly areas with rocky reefs and coral formations where it can find plenty of cover. These habitats provide both a hunting ground and a safe place to hide from larger predators. The fish is typically found at depths of around 10 to 50 meters, although it can occasionally be found in deeper waters, especially during certain stages of its life cycle. The environment in which the kalu cham thrives is one of high biodiversity, with an abundance of small fish, invertebrates, and other organisms that serve as food. In these ecosystems, the kalu cham plays a significant role as both a predator and a prey species. It is highly territorial and will defend its hunting grounds from other fish, making it a fierce competitor for food sources. One of the remarkable features of the kalu cham is its carnivorous diet. As a predator, it primarily feeds on smaller fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates such as shrimp, crabs, and mollusks. The kalu cham is known for its hunting style, which involves ambushing its prey from hiding spots. It waits patiently for an opportunity to strike, often using the cover of rocks and corals to remain undetected. Once the fish has spotted its prey, it uses its large mouth to quickly engulf the target. Its sharp teeth and strong jaws allow it to capture and swallow its prey with ease. This hunting method is characteristic of many groupers, and it highlights the fish's role as an apex predator in its ecosystem. The kalu cham's reproductive habits are another interesting aspect of its biology. Like many other groupers, the kalu cham is known to spawn in large aggregations during specific times of the year. These spawning events are often tied to lunar cycles, with the fish gathering in specific locations to reproduce. The female kalu cham releases a large number of eggs into the water, which are fertilized by the male. The eggs then drift with the currents until they hatch into larvae. These larvae eventually settle in shallow waters, where they grow into juvenile fish. As they mature, the fish begin to establish their own territories and take on the role of predators within their environment. The life cycle of the kalu cham is typical of many reef-associated fish, where juvenile fish spend their early years in sheltered habitats before moving to deeper waters as adults. In terms of its size, the kalu cham can grow to a considerable length. Adult fish typically measure around 30 to 50 centimeters in length, although some individuals can reach lengths of up to 1 meter or more. The size of the fish varies depending on factors such as habitat, food availability, and age. While the kalu cham is not among the largest fish species in the world, it is still a formidable predator due to its strength, speed, and hunting skills. The fish's robust body and powerful muscles enable it to chase down prey and defend itself from predators. Its size and strength also make it an important target for commercial and recreational fisheries, as it is highly valued both for its meat and for its role in the marine food chain. The kalu cham is a highly sought-after fish in both commercial and recreational fishing. In many coastal regions, it is considered a prized catch due to its size, strength, and delicious meat. The flesh of the kalu cham is firm, white, and flaky, with a mild, sweet flavor that makes it popular in a wide variety of dishes. It is commonly used in soups, stews, and grilled preparations, and it is often featured in upscale restaurants as a delicacy. The fish is also prized for its ability to hold up well during cooking, maintaining its texture and flavor even when subjected to heat. In many Asian countries, the kalu cham is used in traditional dishes, where it is often paired with fresh vegetables and aromatic spices. Its versatility in the kitchen and its high culinary value make it an important fish species in local economies. However, the popularity of the kalu cham has led to concerns about overfishing. Like many species that are heavily targeted for consumption, the kalu cham has seen declines in its population due to unsustainable fishing practices. Overfishing, along with habitat destruction from human activities such as coastal development and pollution, has put pressure on the species' numbers. In response, conservation efforts have been implemented in various regions to protect the kalu cham and other species that inhabit coral reefs. Marine protected areas, MPAs, regulations on fishing quotas, and sustainable fishing practices are some of the strategies being used to ensure that the kalu cham can continue to thrive in its natural habitat. Additionally, there are efforts to raise awareness about the importance of sustainable fishing practices and the need to protect marine biodiversity. It is essential to balance the demand for seafood with the need to preserve healthy marine ecosystems, which are vital for the survival of many species, including the kalu cham. The kalu cham also plays an important ecological role in its habitat. As a predator, it helps regulate the populations of smaller fish and invertebrates, which in turn helps maintain the balance of the reef ecosystem. By controlling the numbers of prey species, the kalu cham contributes to the overall health of the coral reef. Healthy reefs are essential for the survival of many marine species, as they provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds. Therefore, the presence of the kalu cham is an indicator of a healthy and functioning marine ecosystem. If the kalu cham populations were to decline significantly, it could lead to imbalances in the reef environment, affecting not only the fish species that rely on the reef for food but also the broader ecosystem. In addition to its ecological and culinary importance, the kalu cham is a fascinating species from a scientific perspective. Researchers have studied the behavior, biology, and ecology of the fish to better understand its role in marine ecosystems. The fish's unique hunting techniques, reproductive habits, and territorial behavior have provided valuable insights into the complex dynamics of reef environments. Additionally, the study of the kalu cham's diet and feeding habits has contributed to our understanding of predator-prey interactions in coral reef ecosystems. The fish's ability to adapt to different environmental conditions, including changes in temperature and water quality, has made it a subject of interest for studies on climate change and its potential impacts on marine life. In conclusion, the kalu cham is a remarkable species of fish that has captured the attention of marine biologists, fishermen, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Its distinctive appearance, carnivorous diet, and role in the marine food chain make it a vital part of the ecosystems in which it resides. While the fish is valued for its meat and its significance in local cultures, it is also at risk due to overfishing and environmental threats. By implementing sustainable fishing practices and protecting its natural habitat, we can ensure that the kalu cham continues to thrive and play an important role in the health of coral reefs and the broader marine ecosystem. As we continue to explore the oceans and learn more about the incredible species that inhabit them, the kalu cham serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the importance of conservation in preserving our planet's biodiversity.